What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing good. So today I want to make a little video about restoring some headlights. And it's not going to be on my 350, it's going to be on my '06 Nissan Titan. And these headlights, they just look like crap. They're faded, they're yellow, and I just want to see if I can fix them up. And I am not using any kits from the store, you know, one of those restore headlight kits. I'm just using some waxing compounds, some stuff that I have laying around the garage, and see if it'll hold up. So what I'm going to try to do is just clean them up with a Scotch-Brite pad and some water, and see if we can buff them out with buffing compound, which is this regular stuff right here from AutoZone, and then clean them up with some alcohol or some kind of degreaser, and then spray them with the clear and see if it works out. So let me show you what the headlights look like, and we're gonna get to work. So as you see here, they are pretty yellow and they're faded. Camera's kind of, it looks better on camera than in person, but this one's the worst, and this one here, it looks pretty bad too. You kind of can see like this area stayed pretty nice, but the rest of it looks pretty bad. But at night it's terrible, you can't see nothing. So I was gonna go ahead and clean them up with maybe a wool pad or like a Scotch-Brite pad, and hopefully it clears them up a little bit, and then hit it with some buffing compound and a buffing wheel. And then if it does come out pretty nice, then I'm gonna go ahead, tape it off, and clear with some just a regular clear coat right over here, AutoZone. So let's give it a shot. All right, so I went and go ahead and taped it off, and here I just got some water in the spray bottle and a Scotch-Brite pad. So I'm gonna try to, clean them up and see if this will take out some of this yellow, coating off of it. And if not, then we'll move to like a sandpaper or something. So let's give it a shot. Alright guys, so I just went over with a Scotch-Brite pad about 4 times, cleaned them up. Looks like the yellowness is gone, so now they're nice and flat and scuffed up. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get a buffing wheel and try to buff them out and see what they look like. So let's get to it. Alright, so I just got some of this wax laying around, and I'm gonna try to buff it out with this and the buffing wheel. So let's give it a shot and see if it works out. I cleaned them, and we went over like 3 quick little buffs. They look way better now. I don't know, on camera, they look pretty good, but they look way better in person. Check these things out. They look so much cleaner. So what I'm gonna do is probably go over, I don't know, a couple more times and try to get them as fast as I can, and then go ahead and tape the, around the headlight, and then hit them with some clear and see, see what comes out of it. So, like I said, it's nothing special. It's just the stuff that I have laying around. I didn't go buy a $40 kit to restore them, but I think this is gonna work. And yeah, let's try it again. Check out what a difference it is now from what it was before. This is way better. Check this thing out. Woo! That thing looks brand new. So before I'm gonna spray it, I'll put the camera back now. Before I'm gonna put any clear on it, I think I should go ahead and wipe it down with some, let me show you. I just got some alcohol here, so we're just gonna give it a little quick wipe to remove all the wax from it, and tape it all off, and then we're gonna hit it with some clear. But check out the old light. Check out the, I guess, the passenger side light. Check this out. Old light, new light. I mean, that is exceptional. So let me tape it off and give it a quick wipe, and then we're gonna spray some clear on it. Let's do it. I want to go ahead and tape everything up, and I did wipe it down with alcohol, just your regular, household alcohol, 91%. I give it a quick wipe down, and here's that clear coat that I was talking about. So I'm gonna shake this up, and we'll put a couple coats on it. That was the first coat, and I think I'm just gonna give it about 10 minutes to set up a little bit, and I'm gonna go over it one more time. But even after the first coat, this headlight looks brand new. So let's see how much better we can get. It's been about 20 minutes. I went ahead and removed the tape, and this is what it looks like. So what a difference. It was completely yellow light, and now it looks very good. And I did not use any restore kits or anything. I just used what I had laying around just to see if it works, and it looks like it did. Check this out. It looks pretty close to being new. But after maybe 24 hours, I'm going to go ahead and buff it out again, and any imperfections in the spray will smooth that out, and it should be looking pretty good. So, but from here, from this light and to this light, that is a huge difference. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other one. So it came out pretty good. I think I'm pretty satisfied with the result of just using basic stuff that I have laying around the garage to clean up this headlight. I still got to do the other one. I'm going to move on there next. But for not using the actual kit and using what I had laying around the garage, Scotch-Brite pad, just a wax, there you go, just whatever I had, rubbing alcohol and a clear coat. I think it came out pretty good. I will do another video probably. We'll make a quick stop just to take a look at them after like a week or so, just to let you guys know if they turn yellow again or whatever it might be. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, do the other light, and drive around, and we'll come back to it. So, but for now, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.